Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm Des Prairie Boulevard here in Laval. I've got a train heading up the Sainte Jerome line. Might be a freight, might be Quebec Gatineau. Sounds like a freight. Slow gearing. Nice to catch this. "12:45 p.m. on a Saturday." Don't know how long this is going to be. September 10th, 2022. I'd say I'm pretty lucky to catch it. I just crossed over the Perry Island Bridge heading to my friend's place in Sainte Rose, kind of hoping to get the Quebec Gatineau Railway train. I think there's another one that heads down the line at about 1:30 or so when it hits Sainte Rose, so maybe I'll get two. I could get lucky to get two. Just getting one is lucky enough though. Longer than I thought, actually. Of course, the interesting thing about the Perry Island Bridge is its gauntlet track. Two tracks squeezed into basically the width of one track, so that the CP could have saved money on the bridge and not have to make a double track bridge. One of the few places I think in Canada where they do that. I have other videos that show the EXO trains squeezing in. They won't squeeze these freights though. It is a long freight headed up to Sainte Theresase, to the yard. This maybe I'll get another road freight coming down towards Montreal. And that sounds like the last car. There it is, the last car. Headed through Laval on its way to Sainte Jerome. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.